Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Zern here, talking about the modulo today in Computer Science Essentials. All right, so time to earn that math credit you're getting for this course. So modulo, this should be probably a entirely new mathematical concept that most of you are not familiar with. And so the modulo is a mathematical operator that performs division but returns the remainder. All right, so it's pretty common for people to go, oh, well, you just take the number divided by another number, no problem. No, that's simple division, and we're used to working with the remainder, and so we're going to see how this is different than just saying, hey, the remainder of 0.2 or something like that. All right, so let's delve a little bit deeper. But here you can see the block. It's in the math area. You'll see modulo of. There's some other, if you pull down that arrow, there's some other options inside of there. Okay, so for example, 10 divided by 8, all right, so is 1 with a remainder of 2, and the modulo is 2. All right, so what does that mean? Now, if I took my calculator, and I've got one here, you can't see it, and I said 10 divided by 8, I'm going to get 1.25, and so that's the remainder, but the modulo is different. And so how many times does 8 go into 10 evenly? All right, well, it goes in at one time. All right, well, how many more is left? Well, basically, one more gets me to 9, and another one gets me to 10. So that modulo is 2, because that's like basically how much more I need to go to get to the full number. All right, so with a 10 divided by 8, in this case, the remainder, we'd see a 1.25, but the modulo is 2, because I need like basically 2 more to get to where we want to go, because we're looking for an integer here and not a float. All right, so I got some more examples. I think it'll start to make more sense. All right, so 14 divided by 8 would return a modulo of 6. Okay, wait, what does that mean? Okay, how many times can 8 go into 14 evenly? All right, I think it is once, right? Anything more than if I go twice, I'm at 16, and that doesn't work. But again, most people want to go 14 divided by 8 and then say, hey, it's 1.75. And again, that's the remainder, and that's not the modulo of it. So 8 goes into 14 one time, and then basically like how many more to get to, and then you almost like subtract there. How many more to get to 14? Well, 6, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 more gets me there. So the modulo of 14 divided by 8 is 6. All right, we've got 27 divided by 8, and that's going to return a modulo of 3. All right, so how did that happen? How many times does 8 go evenly into 27? All right, so kind of start there and think about it because, again, if I just go 27 divided by 8, I get 3.375. All right, so that's, again, not the answer. The modulo is not 3.375. So just doing that, I know that 8's going to go into 27 3 times. So 3 times 8 is 24. How many more do I need to go until I get to 27, right? 1, 2, 3, right? 25, 26, 27. So 3, a modulo of 3. All right, your turn. What is the modulo of 170 divided by 8? All right, you can kind of think of it again, like how many pizzas do I need to order, and then how many more slices on top of that do I need in addition to the whole pizzas? All right, so take a moment and see if you can figure that out. All right, if you said a modulo of 0.25, that's wrong. It's not 0.25. Now, if I divide 170 by 8, I get 21 1/4. But again, we're not looking, a float is not going to be the right answer. So if I do 21 times 8, that's, there we go, is 168. So how many more to get to 170, right? 169, 172. So the modulo of 170 divided by 8 is 2. All right, hopefully that's making a little bit of sense. All right, let's take a look here, and this is a little bit more applicable to what you'll be doing actually in App Inventor. All right, so we know that there are 8 slices of pizza in a whole pizza pie. So if I need 8 slices, all right, and again, we're just keeping that number there at 8 for all of them. How many pizzas do I need? Well, I need 8. All right, so 8 slices, so I need 1 piece of pizza, or excuse me, 1 pizza pie. What's the modulo? Well, the modulo was 0 because it went into it evenly. All right, next one, slices needed, 9. All right, so I need 9 slices. How many pizzas do I need? All right, don't say 1.1 because we have to order whole pizza. So in this case, it's 2. I need 2 whole pizzas to get there. All right, so and then with the modulo is going to be 1 on that, right? Because I need one whole pizza and then one more. All right, what about 10? All right, you can probably start to see the trend here. So I need 2 whole pizzas, number of pizzas. I need 2 whole pizzas to fulfill this order. And what's the modulo? Well, the modulo is going to be 2. All right, what about 15 slices of pizza? What about 15 slices of pizza? All right, again, I need 2 whole pizzas, right? Because that's there's a total of 16 slices in there, so I need to order 2 whole pizzas. And what is the modulo on that? Well, the modulo is going to be 7, right? Is 7. All right, what about this last one? 17. Well, how many pizzas do I need? Well, now I'm going to need 3 pizzas, right? So 1 pizza gets me 8, 2 pizzas get me 16. So I need 17 slices, so I got to order that third pizza. So now I'm at 3 pizzas. And what's the modulo? The modulo is 1. The modulo is going to be 1 on that because it's just 1 more to get to 17. So don't confuse the remainder. So just simply dividing something by something, that's not the answer. If we use the modulo function, kind of what's that, that balance there to get us the rest of the way. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk to you about today with modulo. I will talk to you guys later.